4 p.m. I think we're gonna have to call it quits. The deer we saw earlier, the ones we spooked on our way in, that's our fault. We're probably gonna have to come here at 4:40 in the morning tomorrow, give it another shot. So we're gonna call it quits. We're probably gonna go shooting a little bit, just to salvage the day a little. And we're gonna give this another shot tomorrow. All right, let's go.
Oh, le digo. Ay, la verga. Jálale para atrás. Ok, está bien.
La re 15.
There's a pretty well reason why I didn't get up to go hunt this morning, because we had a cold front come up on us, a winter storm, and well, I'm going to the spot now, but it's a tad bit chilly outside. So, and also my car currently is not liking the weather. So let's see what happens this day when we go hunting, okay? Damn.
I shot one doe's and when I went to go get it, I saw the does on the ground 8 for 1.